Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to access the battery. If the panel hasn't been removed before, it can be quite stiff and tricky. What we need to do is get our thumbs in the gap there and just prise the case open just like that, and there you go, there's your key fob battery. We just get a small flat-headed screwdriver and just get underneath the battery and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into its housing like so. Make sure the writing is facing upwards and it's in its correct location, and we just need to pop the case back on, make sure it all clicks in place, and there you go, it's all done.